Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna do my best keto products from Costco. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I have lost a significant amount of weight from doing keto and intermittent fasting. Here's my before and after. And on this episode, I'm going to do a Costco keto product haul run, just my best of keto products. So I'm gonna keep it simple, gonna keep it short. If you love this video, smash that like button. Make sure you click subscribe and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss keto meal plan down in the description link below. Now let's go keto shopping. So these are fascinating to me. These are, again, some things you can cook in your InstantPot, making your own 2 bites. We have 7 carbs per 2 egg bites in them, so I'm going to pass. So I have to include the goat cheese, but I already have some, so I'm not going to get any of that today. I love seeing stuff like this because you can totally cook your own carnitas. Y'all, I'm so excited. They have organic raspberries now offering at Costco. I'm so pumped. I'm kind of debating getting 2. I'm just gonna get my 1, my sweet treat for the week. So let's do a little recap of what I've gotten. I've gotten some brie. I was looking, they had before at Costco an awesome best of keto product with an assorted brie. It had 4 small bries in their pack. So run to your Costco if it's spring 2019 in your area. This I could not find. I think that they don't sell that anymore. It was a specialty. So I did get some brie. I also got a bunch of my organic spinach, organic romaine lettuce. I got some asparagus. I'm going to use Maria Emmerich's awesome hollandaise sauce recipe with over some asparagus. I got some more, of course, of my basil pesto. Costco is my go-to basil pesto source. I got some organic beef, sausages, some guacamole, avocado mash, and then I got some ahi tuna to make now that it's grilling season and there's no stink factor. I got some ahi tuna to try too. So let me go through and see if there's anything else. I'm just grabbing my quick best of keto products in this haul, and let me go home and show you what I purchased. Of course, I give the disclaimer, grass-fed is best, organic is best, but do the best that you can afford. Are you helping me? Are you being a good helper? She's like, get away, lady. Here's everything that I got, all laid out and organized. And here's my Costco receipt. That whole thing with including tax was $169.77. Of course, this is more than 1 week with all of this meat. Tons more, but I'm gonna freeze a bunch of the sausages. And yeah, that for sure this pesto, like we won't eat this pesto in 1 week, for example. But the pesto cost, if you're looking for keto on a budget here, which I do have other keto on a budget videos, that basil pesto is $8.50. So, but that organic spinach, like this is cheap keto, by the way. $4.49 for this huge thing that's gonna last at least 5 servings, if not more, for 2 cups worth. So good stuff, good stuff. Okay, I just got home. I'm unloading all of my amazing best keto foods. So, like, quick disclaimer, right? Like, I grabbed some of my favorite things. This is obviously not an all-encompassing list, but I would love to know. Put down in the comments below. Question of the day is, what did I miss? What would you have grabbed if you could only had a finite amount of time to go grocery shopping? What would you have grabbed? Put it in the comments below. So here's what I got. I got in here some amazing ahi tuna steaks. These are gonna be delicious on the grill. Delicious on the grill. I'm very excited for them. I got some of my organic romaine lettuce. This stuff is great, by the way. I love it. So let's see here. 6 leaves is 1 net carb, 3 carbohydrates. It's very. I just dropped it on my foot. I totally just dropped it. I totally just dropped it on my foot. Okay, I got some organic berries. This is the first time I've ever seen organic raspberries. I always like to think of my keto meals, and particularly easy keto meals, with a fat and then the protein and then fat, protein, and then like a low carb veggie for a meal. But if I'm doing a keto dessert, it usually is berries with some sort of fat. So berries mashed with some butter and heavy cream, whipped, or just some berries in heavy cream. I have an awesome popsicle recipe with that too, by the way. And you can check that out in my Countess of Low Carb name page. Here's some spinach, organic spinach. I got some of these hot sausages. These things are awesome. They taste delicious. They're really, really good. And I'm gonna make them in with my mushrooms. I wish they had organic mushrooms. I just didn't have time to go to Whole Foods to get organic mushrooms. I do the best I can, right? This is royal weight loss meets real life. I got some basil pesto. That is a great way to add fats to some meals to stay satiated. For example, the 1/4 of a cup, which is a lot, by the way, like that's a lot, is 9 carbs or 5 net carbs, but a 1/4 a cup is way more than I would use. I usually use about 2 carbs worth or 2 net carbs, depending. It's really good. I'm gonna make some Maria Emmerich asparagus with hollandaise sauce later this week. So I got my asparagus. Again, I wish it was organic. I did not have time to go to Whole Foods to get it. Sauce loves to drink water. Whenever I'm doing a video, she's drinking water. And here comes the other one. He's gonna drink water too. We're gonna have tag teaming water people. Next, I got some of my organic avocado mash or guacamole. I love this because it's really basically just the ingredients are organic avocados, organic lemon juice, sea salt, organic black pepper. Boom! It's so good. 1 cup of it is 8 grams of fat, 1 net carb or 5 carbs, and 1 grams of protein. So basically 1 pack is 1 net carb. I like to put it on a lot of different things too. I was looking for my brie wheel, and let me show you. This previously was what the 4-pack, it was like the perfect size. It was literally the perfect size. They didn't have it anymore. I'm kind of bummed about it. So I got a full thing of brie. I will weigh this using, I'm just having a bad, I cannot stop spilling things. So what I'll do is weigh my brie. I'll use my little digital scale. I'll put this in the description link below. I have 2 ounces of cheese because I will eat way more than allocated unless I weigh it. I have to weigh like that, nuts. There's certain things that I know I will eat way more than my portion size. So 2 ounces of brie and yeah, 2 ounces of brie. So I like this. Next is I got my organic ground beef. I do like to get this usually from different sources. It's just doing what I can today. Again, just in the interest of time. And then I got my New York strip steaks. I love those. For Ahmad, 1 meal a day with intermittent fasting, those steaks are redonk. Like I'll have that steak over some grass-fed butter with some baby spinach with my apple cider vinegar and avocado dressing that I make. Just so good. And that is basically like, that would be a meal for me. So that was all of my Costco haul. I'm gonna start putting things away, getting things organized, and getting prepped for the week. If you love this video, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you click subscribe, and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday meal plan. It's my keto meal plan down in the description link below, and share this video with a friend. Bye guys, make it a powerful day.